Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 3 in the series How to Create a WordPress Website. Today we'll be looking into user roles and capabilities. So I am going to ask you to go to your admin area of your website and scroll down to users. As I hover over users, on the drop down you can see all users, add new and profile. I click on all users. And this page opens up, has got my username, has got my name, email address, role, I am administrator. I have, can close that. I have posted 642 blog posts, okay? And it shows last time I logged in. Okay, before we go any further, let's have a look at user roles and capabilities in a bit more detail. WordPress uses a concept of roles designed to give the site owner the ability to control what users can and cannot do within the site. And as a summary of user roles, super admin, somebody with access to the site network administration features and all other features. Administrator, somebody who has access to all administration features within a single site. Editor, somebody who can publish and manage posts, including the posts of other users. Author, somebody who can publish and manage their own posts. A contributor, somebody who can write and manage their own posts but cannot publish them. And a subscriber, somebody who can only manage their profile. So let us assume that I know a person and she is a very good writer and she's very she's an expert in my particular field. So I invite her as an author. Okay, I could have a good friend of mine, a trusted friend of mine, whom I would like to have a partnership in business. So I could invite him as an administrator. So it is up to you to decide what role you are going to give the users out there. All right, so what we're going to do now is I am going to go to my my main working website. So I went to users and I clicked on all users. Okay, and you can see here the story is quite different. I have 384 users. I only one admin, which is me, but I have lots of authors and a few other other user roles as well. Okay, so I am going to scroll down slightly and let's go to add new. Let's say that I would like to invite a person as an author. So click on add new. This page opens up. You enter a username, email, first name, last name, website. Okay. So since you are inviting a person, since I am inviting a person to this website, then it's very easy. I just copy that URL and I paste here. Okay, so remember to have your HTTPS if this is what happens with your website. Okay, a language, site default, and password. You are going to generate a password. WordPress generates a password for you. But if you don't like this particular password, you can delete it and enter your own password. All right, and then send user notification, send the new user an email about their account. And this role, as I said, I am inviting Anne to be an author. So I click on author, or I'm inviting Anne and to be the administrator with me as well. So you click on add new user, and this person will receive an email from you with all the details, and then he or she can come back and update their password. Right, now I am going to click on profile. So we are still in users and profile. And let's have a look at my profile. You leave the two fields blank and admin color scheme. So you can choose. You have lots of options here. Okay, let's go to modern. Let's go to blue, ectoplasm, So I was on Ocean. I was on Ocean. On my fitness website, I am using Sunrise. Now this is a very useful feature because I work on 2 or 3 websites at the same time. So it tells me exactly on which website I am at. If I am in Great Hurry, this is quite neat. Okay, let's continue. Keyboard shortcuts you leave blank, and toolbar, show toolbar when viewing sites. So enable this. This is very useful. Let's go to the front end of this website of mine. Okay, this is the toolbar right here at the very top. So if I hover over WordPress Training Johannesburg, on the drop down, I see dashboard, themes, widgets, and menus. If I were to click on customize, it would take us to the customer where I'll be able to customize my theme. If I were to click on the plus new, well, I'll be able to do, I can create a new post, new media, I can create a new page, and so on and so forth. So in other words, this speeds up my work. I don't have to go to the admin area to create a new post or a new page. I can do everything from the front end. All right. I can also edit this page we are at just by clicking on edit page. Great. So let's go back. So you have enabled the toolbar. Language, you decide what you'd like to have. Okay. You decide email address, you leave as is, and username you can't change. The first name will be so let me change this. I'm going to put my surname over there. Nickname will be Tony. Display name publicly as Tony. Email is my email address. My website. It's there. And then if you are on social media, just enter all these relevant fields. I have a business page on Facebook. I am on Instagram. I am on LinkedIn. I am on Pinterest, and I have a Twitter for Business account. I have a Twitter account plus a Twitter for Business account. So I am on YouTube, obviously, and let me take that out from there, and bio. So just add a little bit of details about what your work entails. And then your profile picture, you had a profile picture. We will talk about Gravatar in lesson 4. So, and account management, this is where you change your password if ever you'd like to change your passwords. So, and remember where we are at. We are in users, and on the drop down, we are in profile, okay? So this is it. This is the page. It's profile, and then you scroll down, and you'll be able to create your new password. Okay, I'm not going to worry about Yoast SEO because this is we'll be doing this on another training. So if this video was helpful, would you please give it the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and best wishes with your WordPress website. Cheers.